Are you struggling to find a reliable Kava merchant account for your bar or online store? Most banks and big name processors see Kava as too risky, leaving honest business owners with frozen funds and canceled accounts. I'm Charles Crillo, an onboarding specialist at Allied Payments, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm showing you exactly why this happens and the step-by-step path to secure your processing. We'll dive into the latest regulations so you can spend more time growing your Kava community and less on banking concerns. First, let's talk about why banks are cautious about Kava. When you apply for a regular merchant account, they assess your risk profile. In the financial world, Kava often falls into the high risk category, not because your business is doing anything wrong, but because of regulatory uncertainty. Banks have been cautious for years due to outdated safety advisories and because Kava is a botanical product. A slightly higher rate of chargebacks or disputed transactions is common in this niche, often due to occasional business disruptions. Being labeled high risk is really just a signal that working with a specialized processor can help your business succeed. Now, things have changed for the better recently. The FDA has clarified that traditionally prepared Kava is officially considered a food. This is huge. However, you still have to follow the rules. This means following good manufacturing practices and being very careful with your marketing. You can't claim Kava cures or treats any medical condition. If your website looks like a pharmacy, the banks will run away. Keeping your labels clean and your claims honest is the fastest way to get a bank underwriter's approval for your Kava merchant account. This is increasingly common. A new Kava bar opens, signs up for Square or Stripe in 5 minutes, and thinks they're set. But a few weeks later, boom, the account is frozen and the money is held for 180 days or more. These platforms are aggregators. They approve everyone first and ask questions later. Because their primary banks don't allow Kava, they have to shut you down the moment their system flags your Kava keywords. Applying for and establishing your own merchant account is much safer than using a sponsored account with Stripe, Square, or a similar processor. So what does the right setup look like? To start, having a merchant account that accepts Kava is essential. If you have a physical Kava bar, you will likely need a POS system that is high-risk friendly. If you're online, you need a secure gateway that integrates with your website. Look for a partner who understands the industry, has plenty of banking options, and offers transparent pricing without hidden fees. Many successful merchants also use eCheck or ACH as a backup. This gives your customers another way to pay if credit card networks ever have a hiccup. This is where a company like Allied Payments can help. We specialize in exactly this kind of support. Ready to apply? You'll need an underwriting package. This usually includes your ID, recent bank statements, and your business formation papers. Pro tip, make sure your website has your refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service clearly visible in the footer. The bank wants to see that you are a professional, organized business. If you can show them that you source high-quality, noble Kava, it proves you care about quality, which lowers the perceived risk associated with your business. Finally, let's keep that account healthy. A chargeback is when a customer disputes a charge with their bank. In the Kava world, this sometimes happens because a customer doesn't recognize the name on their bank statement. Make sure your billing descriptor matches your shop's name. Also, using tools like 3D Secure, which asks for a quick text code during checkout, can protect you from fraud. Keeping your chargebacks low ensures your Kava merchant account stays active for years to come. Navigating the world of banking doesn't have to be the hardest part of running your business. By securing a dedicated Kava merchant account, you protect your cash flow and your future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more payment processing strategy tips. If you're interested in accepting payments at your business, please contact us at alliedpayments.com. That's alliedpayments.com. See you in the next video.